Hello my crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel in another month of Smash That Small Paper Pad, hosted by Deb Houck of Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage. Every month on the 25th we show cards that we made with a paper pad, 6x6, and it may take 2 or 3 months to use it up, but that's okay. So I would like to show you what I did with mine. I used Echo Park's LumberJack Christmas, and I also bought the set with had chipboard accents and ephemera. I still have lots of ephemera left. I used this pine cone punch. I used this cool ribbon from Recollections Michaels. I used a pine bough stamp, and this card base is Christmas Pine 100 pounds by Gina K Designs. I also roughly used the August 2020 sketch from Alicia of Call Me Crafty Owl. So here are my cards. I made 10. Chipboard sticker. This was one of the last ones I did, so I matted this, and then I used silver Winkostella, and I used this teeny weeny little bow die that you just wraps around. You cut it out and then just wraps around and makes this. Okay, and then this one, same thing here. I popped up, I did use cut aparts. There was a couple of sheets of cut aparts. So I popped that up on foam tape. And this is the first one I did. Oh, and the inside, they all say the same thing. Believe in the wonder and magic of Christmas. And then I stamped pine boughs. I'm not sure where the stamp came from, but it's a cling. And here I did something closer to the sketch itself. She put one piece on the bottom and then a piece here. So I did that, and I put a little chipboard piece on here, and I stamped a pine cone and the pine bough. Here's the pine cone. This is from Stampendous, I believe. And also the pine bough. Same thing in the inside. Chipboard sticker, piece on earth. Now the chipboard accents had a tag, and so that's where I used this ribbon. I've had it for years. I think it matched perfectly with this entire theme, which is very popular, the woodsy look. Again, I popped that up on foam tape. And Santa and the Reindeer from the chipboard accents. And this is one of the ephemera pieces, and then my pine cone. Another chipboard piece popped up on foam tape. And I did put another one of the pine cone embellishments, and this is popped up on foam tape. Okay, so there are my cards for this month of Smash That Small Paper Pad. Please watch everybody else that's down in the description box below. Their links are down there. And if you like this, please press the like button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.